There are two ways to get access to the CRM. First one is you directly buy one of these plans, or you will need to sign up. So I'll go ahead and click on sign up button. There you can sign up with Google, or you can enter your details manually. I'll go with the manual process. So I'm gonna write my name, email, phone number, password should be minimum 8 characters with 1 capital letter. And user will need to check this box, agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy, and register. So I got a verification code on my email. Let's check that out. Here is the email. So here we have the verification code 482702. Verify and create account. Account credentials, account created, let's choose your plan. So here is the onboarding guide user can go through. So we are guiding the user here how to use the CRM. They can also download the PDF where we have guided in detail. And for now, I'll skip the guide. I will go with business plan. I will not make a real purchase. Instead, I will go with coupon code. Apply. Okay, access granted. Complete registration. And here I will need to put date of my travel agency. Email. Contact number. Plus 971 58502390. Website link, it's optional, but if you have, you can put one. And I will need to upload logo of my business. Go to dashboard. Now I'm on the dashboard of FlyQuote. First thing I will do, I will go to settings. And I will go to company details. I have all the details over here. I can put some terms and conditions here, that will be default terms and conditions. And I can also put account details to receive payments for the tickets over here. I can put my company stamp. I can also add authorized signature that you want to display on the quotation. I can also add, I will attach payment QR code. So this will be displayed on the quotation, so user can just scan and transfer payments. Then I will just save company details. Profit margin, user can set the margins that they wants to charge on the tickets over here. I can name it standard. For adult, I'll put 50 dirhams. For child, 10. For infant, 5. And I'll click on add margin, it will be saved. Billing, here you can see your subscription information. From here you can change your password, and also you can see the active sessions from where you are active at the moment. And then we have this support section from where you can email us, call to the support team, and reach us out on WhatsApp. You can also open a ticket by selecting the issue from here. For example, feature request, priority, subject, message, and then you can submit the ticket. Once you will submit the ticket, you will be able to see your recent tickets over here with the status, if it's open, resolved, or closed, and team will reach you out accordingly. Here we have some FAQ, so user can get help with their common questions. Next step is visa types. We have some built-in data in the system, but user can always add new visa types. You can write the visa type name here, and charges for the adult, charges for the child, and charges for the infant, so that this data will be easily accessible during the quotation creation. Sharing bus, we have some built-in data. You can add your new bus routes, pick up from, pick up to, standard price per seat, and you can also write some notes. Once you fill up this data, this will be easily accessible during the quotation creation, so you won't have to put it each time manually in that process. We also have private transfers. This is populated by default. You can always edit, delete, or add a new route. Vehicles, for the private transfer, we have some built-in data, but you can always add a new vehicle with pax capacity and count. Route codes, so we have some pre-populated route codes, but you can always add new route codes that are useful during quote creation. Airlines, we have some pre-populated airlines, but you can always add new airlines with their airline codes. So it will be helpful during quote creation. You won't have to put the details manually by that time. Hotels, we have some pre-populated hotels, but you can always add new hotels, and once you'll buy the subscription, we'll be able to we also have the screen from where you can select your base currency. We already have added few currencies, but you can always add a new currency from here with the currency name and currency code, and you can also set that currency as a base currency if you want. As of now, I will search for UAE dirhams, and I will make this one as my base currency, and now this is the base currency. So during the quote creation, you won't have to change the currency from there. And now let's go and create a quotation. So there we have four options. First one is flight quote, from where you can book a single flight, create a quotation for a single flight, like with one route. And here we have one click AI quote. You can just put the query over here, and once you will tap on generate quote, your quotation will be ready using AI. And then we have export data, like all the quotations that you will create will be seen over here. If you want to export that data, you can click on this button and Excel file will be downloaded in your computer. Fourth one, we have create package quote if it's a multi-destination quotation with the complete package including the accommodation, visa, and transfers. So you can do that from here. So we'll go with this option, create package code. From here I'll select my currency, and here we will write the name of the customer, care of, we can write counter or the name of the agent, recommendation tag, like if you're giving them multiple options, you can also put here that this is best recommended. And from here I will select the country code and I'll put my number. From here I'll select how many adults are traveling, how many children are traveling. I will leave the infant to 0. Continue. I want to travel from Lahore to Dubai. Departure date, let's say 1st of August. Departure time 12 p.m. Arrival date 2nd of August. And departure time again 12 p.m. 24 hours duration, and there will be layover. Airline, let's say AirBlue. Flight number PK123. Economy, fare class Y. You can also leave these fields empty if you don't want to fill, or if you want to leave anything empty on the quotation, you can do that. I will leave the terminal, and I can also leave the PNR as an empty, but I can put something over here. Return flight, so from Dubai to Lahore. Departure date, I want to come back by 5th, 12 p.m. Arrival date same time 5th, 1 p.m. And airline again same one, AirBlue. Flight number PK456. Economy, Q class, terminal 1. PNR I'll leave empty for this one. You can also add a new departure flight or additional return flight by tapping on one of these buttons. If the baggage is included, you can check this box. By default 30 kg plus 7 kg handbag is there, but you can change it, and you can also put additional notes. For example, extra baggage can be added on request. And then the passenger pricing, base fare we will put over here, let's say 500 dirhams. Profit margin, you can select from one of these that are by default added in the profit and margin section of the CRM. So I'll select 5. Child pricing, I'll put 310. Travel insurance, if the insurance is included, you can check this box. Adult insurance, let's say 20 dirhams. Child insurance 10 dirhams. And adjustment discounts, if you want to offer some discount, you can put the discount over here. Adjustment title, you can put something over here, just the title for that discount. First time discount. Fixed rate or percentage, you can do that. With percentage you can put 1%, 2%. With the fixed rate you can just write the amount over here. So I'll give 45 dirhams discount. You can put some notes over here. For example, it's non-refundable. And then continue. So accommodation, you can select where user will be staying. For example, in Dubai, like Dubai. And hotel, so I'll write name of the hotel, Hotel Marina. It's not found because in Dubai we do not have any pre-populated data of hotels, so I'll use this one. If you will not find any option from here, you can always put manually, and this will also add it into your bulk data. So next time you will use the uh, try to put the same value, you will not have to put it manually, it will be there in the drop down. You can add the room set, quantity 1, rate 200, check-in date 1st August, checkout date 2nd August, and this way you can add more room sets or also add another city or stay. Continue. And visa service, if it's included, you can check this. Which visa is it? Dubai tourist visa 30 days. These are the pricing that you added in process of listing your visa types in the CRM. You can always change it. I'll put it to 100 dirhams and 50 for the child visa fee. You can add private transfer, sharing bus if you want, tours and activities, add activity, so zoo visit, and you can put the price for that activity that you are selling, so let's say 50. I will not add any private transfer or any sharing bus here. Save quotation. Quotation is here, it's ready. So what you can do now, there are two views. This is admin view, where you can also see the margins, profit margins that applied, and you can see all the calculations over here. But there is a client view that you will share with the client, and here we are hiding the margins and we are calculating. So here we have the complete quotation. You can user can also scan the QR code to share the quotation with someone else, or they can also, if they have a hard copy of the quotation, they can scan it and verify it if it's the original quotation, and also if they want it to be in their mobile phone, so they can get it this way. And at the end we have this QR code for the payment. They can scan and make the payment. And here we have the branding, the stamp, authorized signatures, company branding, and also the logo of the company. Here you can just copy the link and share with the customer. You can download the PDF. You can change the template. You can share it on multiple social media platforms, or you can just send it to WhatsApp directly. And once you will tap on WhatsApp button, this quotation will be sent to the customer. That's customer whose number was added during the quotation creation, just like it will be sent to this contact. You can also edit it by tapping on edit, and you can edit it very easily, just like I just removed this S and then I just save the changes. You can also save it as a new quote, or you can keep changes to the existing one, and it's edited. That's it for the quotations. Now you can also see this quotation over here, and the status is pending. Once the quotation, if quotation is rejected, you can click the rejected button. If it's paid, you can click the paid button. And once you will click the paid button, the status will be changed to paid. You can also generate an invoice once the payment is done, and you can share this invoice with the customer. Here we also have filters, so user can see all quotations, paid quotations, pending quotations, and rejected quotations. Then second thing, we have hotel voucher. Hotel voucher creation is the same process. You can fill all the details, and it will just it is very quick process for creating an hotel voucher, and you can always select a template for that. If you will not select any template, the default template will be there, but you can see all the pre-populated templates over here that you want to print out for the quotations and for the hotel vouchers. You can use any of these templates, but if you want more tailored template, you can always write your agency name, template name. You can also give a sample. You can describe your template that you want. You can submit request, and we will create that template for you, and it will be populated in this section as soon as it's ready. Then here we have this is for branding. You can add your more branches over here. For example, if you have a branch in one city and you want to write codes for another branch, you want to change branding, you can put another branch over here, and during the code creation you can select the branding, and that branding will be there on your quotations and hotel vouchers, and you can always change it. Next is we have group flight inventory. For using this, you will need to add an agent partner who will be selling your tickets, or you can also sell your own tickets. I will click on add group flight. For example, if I have stock for AirBlue seats, I will put the flight number, fare class, economy, route MUX to DXB, departure date 31st of July, departure time 12 p.m, terminal T1, arrival date 31st of July 1 p.m, and it will be a direct flight. Total available seats, I have 20 available seats. Per seat fare, you can put over here, let's say 2000, or you can also check this price on call, so that another agent partner won't be able to see the direct fare, but they will have to call you to check the fare. And if the package is included, you can check this box, otherwise you can leave it unchecked, and from here if you want to change the package, you can manually change it from here. So I will save it. As soon as I will save it, you will see all the details of the flight over here and the available seats. If I, being an admin, wants to book this one, I will write passport number, information of the customer, and the person at the desk who is issuing this seat. For example, passport number, agency name. I am as an admin issuing this, so I will put admin, given name of the customer, and person at desk, and I will book seat. Now, as soon as you will book the seat, it will be on hold. If you will not issue this within 30 minutes, it will already go back to available status. So now I want to approve an issue. I am admin, I do have access to approve this, so I will approve and issue this ticket, and it will be issued. As soon as this seat is issued, it means in booking and ledgers you will be able to see that this ticket was issued, and 1 issued, 0 on hold, and 0 rejected. And you can also, by the end of the month or 2, you can always export data of the bookings. You won't need to fill out all the information manually into Excel sheets. Then we have a feature for task management. We can admin can assign tasks to their teams, and also we have a chat feature where admin can chat with the partner agents and also with the team. Team and collaborations, you will see all the invites over here in this screen. And agencies you are in, you will see all the invites from the agencies over here. Now, who can, another agency can add you as a ticket seller, as a partner agent, and you can also invite them as a partner for selling group tickets into your system. So let's start with adding a team member. Add a team member named Mogis, gmail.com. I can also choose to give the access to Mogis. Like Mogis can create tasks, Mogis can create quotations, Mogis can create hotel vouchers, Mogis can book tickets and group flights as well. So I gave all the permissions to Mogis and I invited him. Now I can also copy this link and send to Mogis on WhatsApp or any other social media platform, but Mogis already received an automated email from where he can follow the process to become a FlyQuote user and accept the invite. As soon as Mogis will accept the invite, this pending status will be changed to active. So as you can see, Mogis has accepted the invite and the status has been changed to active. Now I can remove Mogis, or I can also chat with him. Let's start with the chat, and you can actually chat with all the team members. So I will write a message, and in a moment I am supposed to accept the reply. I got the reply from Mogis. Okay, I can also invite travel agents, partners, sales partners. So I will go here, I can see all the invites. Now I'm going to invite a partner sales agent. I will write their email. Create invite link. Now the same process, I can copy the link and send to Kadir, or they also received an automated email that they will accepting, and they will have a personalized dashboard for selling these seats. But they can only book the seat. Once they will book the seat, they will reach me out through the chat that I have booked this seat, please issue it. An admin or a team member with an issuing access will be able to issue the seat. So Kadir has accepted the invite, and now its status is active. Okay, now I can go to the task management, and I can also create first task title, follow up with the code, and assigned user Mogis. I can only assign tasks to my team members, not the partner agent. Priority, I will say high. Status, of course, by default it will be pending. Due date is 31st of August. Time, and I can also link one of the quotations for whom I'm asking Kadir to follow up. So I'll also attach this quotation. This is completely optional. You can leave it blank if you're assigning a general task. Provide details, and I can create task. As soon as I will create task, Kadir will get the notification, and also the task will be there on their dashboard. They can mark the task complete. They can change the status in progress if they have started working on it, and they can always write remarks to notify me. So Mugees is working on it and status has been changed to in progress. In a moment, Mugees will be completing this task and I will be able to see his remarks as well. So here, I can also write messages linked to this task with Mugees, and Mugees is asking that I have completed this this task and it's also now completed. And apart from that, you can also see activity logs, what your team is doing, what your partner agent is doing, and you can see all the activity logs over here. And task management, one notification we have, one completed task. These are the filters. You can check pending task, in progress, and completed tasks as well. Being an admin, you can edit the task, you can delete the task, you can reassign it, or you can view details. Then if we come to the dashboard, you will be able to see booking trends. You will be able to see which plan you have, conversion rates, depends upon the paid quotations, cancelled, and the pending quotations. Quotes this month you created, total quotations, and your sales, top hotels that you're selling, visa distribution, and all of these quick buttons over here. Two more features are also included in this platform. The one is accounts and another one is WhatsApp automation. That will be coming very soon on the platform. And with WhatsApp automation, your quotation, one quotation follow-up will be automated, and also this status will be automated. So in case user has paid for the quotation, this will be changed automatically. And also it will keep track of which quotation is pending and which one is paid and which one is rejected. And also once the WhatsApp automation is there, you will not have to manually share the quotations with the customer. Like, you will just create a quotation, review it, and click the button. It will be directly sent to their WhatsApp account. And same for the hotel voucher and invoices. Once the quotation is paid, invoice will be sent automatically to the customer. Second is account. There will be full-fledged system of managing accounts. As of now, we do have accounts, which is this booking and ledgers, but this is only for the group tickets that we have over here, group seats. But in near future, we will have the complete accounts module, and that will be managing everything related to accounts. That's it for now. Thank you.